as a business owner, do you feel like you're stressed and you're just sitting out there and wondering that why my offers are not selling? Do you like literally feel this? If you do, then watch till the end. Hi, my name is Arjuman. I'm a business coach. I help entrepreneurs to package and position their knowledge, their expertise, and convert it into a digital business so you can sign up clients and make consistent sales and grow your revenue. In this video, I'm definitely going to give you the exact framework of how you can have a compelling offer in your business, regardless of you are a coach, consultant, a service-based entrepreneur, or a product-based entrepreneur. Marketing has actually evolved over a period of time, and we all need those eyeballs. And we have a very less, people have a very less attention span. So you really need to have, you really need to be grabbing their attention. And the first step for you to do this is you need to have an offer which resonates with your client, with your customer, right? So I'm going to give you the exact 7-step framework which we use so our offers stand out and our clients make sales, right? The number one is the hook. And this is actually the first part of the offer. So this is one of the element which grabs your potential clients' attention and makes them feel like they need more. They want to learn more about it, right? So it could be as simple as you offering them a free trial, so they can just give you their email ID, their phone number, and their name, and you can use it for email marketing, right? And or you can also come up with a limited time offer where you are giving them a limited time offer so they grab it immediately and they come into your world and they opt in into your funnels and into your websites, right? So you really have to understand that when you throw those hooks, so you grab that attention of your client. People have a very less attention span, and when people are scrolling on Facebook or on Instagram or on YouTube, what really grabs them is the hook of your offer, right? So whatever it might be, you need to be creative in creating these hooks which can scroll the stop, they can stop the scroll, I mean, and they are like, okay, what is this? Let me learn more about it. It can be a goofy image, it can be a video, it can be a headline which can grab their attention, right? The second, once you have the attention and once the hook has worked, now this is the time for you to tell a story of your offer, right? This is where you are going to explain your product, your service, and you're going to explain to them that how your product or your service is different from the rest of the market, from the competitors, right? So this can be done by giving them a specific examples of testimonials, the case studies, and it really helps people visualize themselves of your products and of your services, and for them to feel how good it is. And the best way for you to do this is use your clients' testimonials. Like, I love video testimonials, and this is what I would highly recommend you, right? That is, of course, the third part is the social proof. That's the testimonial itself. This is the strategy which provides people the evidence of how it is to work with you and what is possible and how people are loving your product and your services, right? And this is where the industry is moving. Now, for example, if you have to go and select an Italian restaurant in your town, in your city, you're going to go on Google and search like which is the best Italian restaurant. And you would be curious to know like what people are talking about it, what are the reviews of the restaurant. So based on the reviews, you are going to select where you're going to spend your Sunday evening, and you're going to take your family out for that dinner, isn't it? That's the same thing what people are going to do. So your social proof is going to work like a magic. So once you have grabbed their attention, you've done it through the hook, you have a window to talk about the story around your offer. And then third part comes the social proof itself, right? The fourth, this is something where people feel like, oh, I don't want to do that, but it's the risk reversal, right? That's basically a guarantee which you can offer, so people feel on a less scale of having that risk. So they don't want to feel like, okay, they want to feel secured. So when you do this risk reversal, it can be done in a form of a money back guarantee if you want to do that, right? If you don't want to do that, it's totally up to you. You can offer a free trial as well, right? Or you can always say them that you're going to work with them, or your products are going to serve them until they get the results. That's also fine. So what happens is it removes any kind of a barrier which is holding them back to make that buying decision, right? Is this making sense? Let me know in the comments. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that right now, so you have the notification once we upload the new videos. And at the same time, if you find value in this video, go ahead and like my video, comment down below, share your thoughts, and share this with others who can also be benefited, right? The fifth segment is the scarcity, the deadline, right? Your offer cannot be valid forever. And if you have kept your offer like anytime kind of a stuff, then be sure that your audience are going to be lazy in taking that decision. So you need to create that sense of urgency. And one of the key factors for you to increase your sales is to have a deadline of when is going to be the finish date of this particular offer, right? So this could be a limited time discount, a limited time scholarship, a limited time special promotion, whatever you want to come up with, right? So let that be for a certain duration of time only, so people take action. Your potential clients can make that buying decision, right? The sixth, this is something which I love, is to offer a bonus, to offer a fast action bonus. So what happens is the fifth segment and the sixth segment goes hand in hand. There is a sense of urgency and there is a sense of scarcity, right? And with that, when you offer a bonus, that's like an icing on a cake, where it's an extra value which you're offering to your clients, and this is going to help them take that complimentary stuff, grab that bonus, because obviously we all need bonuses, and bonuses make your offer attractive, and this can also increase the perceived value of your offer, your product, or a service which you're selling, right? Last but not the least is ask, meaning to say a strong call to action. Having a strong call to action is like you asking them to take a decision right now. So you need to be clear and specific when you are asking them to make a buying decision. It can be to like click the link below. It can be like, give us your email ID, act now, opt into this offer before you miss out, before you lose out. So you are like literally and directly asking for a sale, asking for a purchase. And as an entrepreneur, you shouldn't be hesitant to ask for a sale or to ask for a purchase, because every entrepreneur is a great salesman, isn't it? You first are a good salesman, and that's why you became a great entrepreneur. isn't it? That's what it is, right? So the closing is something which has to be done confidently in the most effective manner. So you are not scared to ask for a sale, right? So these are like the key elements into your offer. And this is going to help you create that powerful, compelling pitch, in your sales. So go ahead and execute this, implement this, and let me know how this is working for you. All right. If you have found this helpful, do let me know in the comments down below. Check out, check out the follow me on my social media platforms and check out the description of this video. If you need my help in crafting your high ticket offer, then let me know. It would be my pleasure to book a call and to see if we are a good fit for each other. If you've got value from this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. And also let me know what kind of videos do you want me to come up with. I would love to provide more value and share the information, the knowledge, what I have, open-heartedly. So that's it in today's video. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon and bye-bye.